Good evening. It's very late night now. I make this video to answer my Instagram audience question about my pen cases, pen pouches, where I got them or where to purchase them. Some of them I can share the links and I'll put them in the description box. Some of them I can't share the links. I'll tell you why. Okay, let's jump right into it. I'll start with these 3 pen cases. I purchased them from Pixlet Studio. This is her Instagram account and she has a website too. Her products sold out quickly, so you might have to watch for her announcement for the next round and put orders quickly too. I bought 3 pen cases. They are all fabric. 2 of them have 4 slots. One has 3 slots. I put my 2 Lamy Safari and 1 Lamy Vista fountain pens in the 3 slots case. It's kind of tight when I close it, and that's good, so my pens won't fall out. I put my 4 Twisby Eagles in the 4 slots case. And this pink one, I put my 3 Pilot Preras in it. It has 1 slot left. I thought about to purchase another Prera though. Next one is this mint green pen case from Lihit Lab. I purchased it from jetpens.com. It's very good quality. I really like it. I mostly use it when we travel. It's lightweight. It has 2 main compartments and many pockets inside. The next group has 3 members here. I bought them from Amazon. This one is actually a cosmetic bag. It's quilted cotton. There are several colors and patterns available. I use it for keeping my journals. These 2 are pencil cases. I bought them 3 years ago. This beige one is Angu Baby, if I pronounce it correctly. Small pencil case. I actually like all colors. It has only 1 compartment. I put my pigment-based markers in it. It's simple, compact, and lightweight. This white one is Sue's wide opening pencil pen case. There are many colors available. I like all of them too. It has 1 main compartment and small pockets on the sides. I put my 23 Tombow dual brush pens, 2 Tombow Fudinosuke pens, an eraser, and 1 Tombow mechanical pencil in it. It has more room for keeping more stuffs actually. Next set is from Garland Leather. I purchased them maybe 2 or 3 years ago. I'm not 100% sure. Yes, they are leather in crazy horse brown color. The bigger one here, we can take the slot part out. It has 4 slots. I put my Pilot Vanishing Point and Kakuno fountain pens in it. The smaller one is a single slot pen case. I put my Apple Pencil and its adapter in it. They both have metal zippers. The zippers are smooth though. The last group is these guys. I don't have any links for them because I purchased them in local stores or shops in Thailand. I'll start from this drawstring bag, which is the oldest among them, more than 20 years old. I don't actually remember how I got it. Next 2 guys, they are old too. I don't remember how old or where actually I bought them. Probably from a small market in a hospital that I worked at. I put my Sony camera and the charger in them. This one is a plastic cosmetic pouch. I bought it last time I visited Thailand. in a local shopping mall named Central in my hometown. I put my Posca pens in it. Okay, lastly, these fabric pouches are the same brand, Naraya. I bought them about 7 years ago from Naraya shop in Siam Paragon shopping mall in Bangkok. I don't even know if the shop is still there. I put my electronic stuffs in the yellow ones. They all have only one compartment. The pink square one has one large compartment and one pocket on the side. I put my gel pens in it. I have more tiny, small, little pouches, but these are the most often I'm using. Thank you so much for watching. Good night.